After the matter escalates Aru County election dispute to High Court, Honorable Doctor has intensified his challenge to the Aru County parliamentary election results, announcing that he will file a full petition in the High Court of Patongo. This decision follows the suspension of a recount ordered by the Chief Magistrate's Court of Padi, which was scheduled for 8:30 a.m. but could not proceed after 5 ballot boxes were discovered to have been tampered with. The recount had been expected to clarify the narrow margin of vote between Otto and his opponent. However, the tampering of ballot boxes rendered the process legally impossible, forcing the court to halt proceedings. Otto described the incident as a serious breach of electoral integrity, stressing that the failure to conduct a proper recount undermines public confidence in the democratic process. In his press statement, Otto explained the recount was not possible since 5 ballot boxes were tampered with and court could not proceed. We have subsequently decided to go for a full election petition in the High Court of Patongo next week. He emphasized that the petition is not only about his personal victory, but about safeguarding the credibility of elections in Uganda. Otto drew parallels with recent precedents set by the Court of Appeal, which nullified the Alur parliamentary election. In that case, 3 judges ruled that the failure to conduct a mandatory recount had affected the results in a substantial manner. Otto highlighted the similarities, noting in that case the difference was 30 votes. Ours is 26. The comparison underscores his belief that the Aru County dispute meets the threshold for judicial intervention. Beyond the legal arguments, Otto's rhetoric has carried a strong message of resilience. He declared, "They can run but not hide. They can only delay us but will not stop us." He further employed a vivid metaphor: stealing an elephant is easy, but where to keep it is a problem. The imagery reflects his conviction that electoral malpractice, no matter how concealed, will eventually be exposed and punished. Political analysts suggest that Otto's petition could set an important precedent for how courts handle recount disputes in Uganda. The case highlights broader concerns about ballot security, transparency in vote tallying, and the role of judicial oversight in electoral processes. If successful, Otto's petition could reinforce the principle that even small margins of difference, such as 26 votes in Aru County, warrant strict adherence to recount procedures. The High Court of Patongo is expected to hear the petition next week. Observers anticipate a heated legal battle, with Otto's team likely to argue that the tampering of ballot boxes constitutes substantial irregularities. His opponents, meanwhile, may contend that the election outcome remains valid despite the recount's suspension. For Otto, the petition represents both a legal and symbolic fight. It is a continuation of his long-standing advocacy for electoral justice and accountability. As he prepares for the courtroom, his words resonate with supporters who see the case as a test of Uganda's democratic resilience.